Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So this move to the upside is sort of what we needed to get a little bit more clarity about the short-term chart. It was just moving in a messy sideways structure or correction. We have a bit of a breakout now to the upside from our support region here that was communicated. In the yellow count, it was a little bit, okay, are we in the orange one or the yellow one? At the moment they move together, okay? At the moment they move together because they are both basically allowing for direct upside at the moment. Let me explain that. Now in the base case, which is proving to be correct, okay? So the preferred scenario seems to be correct in the sense that the wave 4 bottomed here indeed on the 23rd of January. That's been the base case, the main thesis here. And we were exploring direct bullish options, either in the orange count, which also would have allowed for a little bit of a deeper pullback into the support area, and the yellow count, in which already direct upside was possible. And yeah, it's good to see that it's following the bullish pathway here. Again, what's my next target? $190. Okay, so someone asked me in the comments of a previous video why I expect a very aggressive or direct pathway to the upside for Solana. Not necessarily very aggressive, but I mean, again, as long as, because the structure suggests it, right? Because the structure suggested it, we are holding above support levels. It's not a great structure. It's not super clear, but now it's become clearer with that pathway to the upside. But as long as, you know, we've had a corrective move down, we reacted to our minimum requirement for wave 4, we've seen upside, and the pullback was also corrective. So yeah, that's why basically I expected further upside. Also because the big picture, looking at the large account that I showed you many times, the fifth wave to the upside here is still outstanding. And if my main thesis is that the wave 4 bottom, then yeah, I mean, wave 5 should still take us to 190 plus. I mean, this is sort of an ideal target, but can always see further extensions. So now it's just a challenge is now to determine, is it the orange count or the yellow one? I would argue you can't distinguish really. It could even be a high B wave. I will not take that off the chart. It's for risk management, but it's only the alternative, and it has been the alternative. So in this count, in the white count, the wave 4 never finished, and you could still get a drastic move down. I just need to mention it because this is what would happen if we break below support. Then I would have to follow that. Okay, so if we now, let's say, crash down and it takes out the last swing low at $98.30 here, the Saturday 24th of Feb low, well, that is what I would have to go with. But for now, I'm following yellow and orange. They're both moving together. The yellow count suggests here that we're now in wave C of 3. That explains the impulsive move up. Ideal target, as you might remember from previous videos, 140 pretty much plus. Again, first ideal target for the wave 3 is $140. Can always extend further, so 140, 150 and 157 are the next levels to watch. If we go directly higher, it is possible that we're actually dealing with the orange count and it's just doing an ABC structure in one go. Yeah? And as soon as we get to $140, I can give you a micro support area for wave 4. A bit too early for that. I wanted to reach 140 first, and then we can be watching for a wave 4. Doesn't mean it has to happen, but it means we have an additional micro support level to watch. Already now, I mean, the only level I can give you right now is basically the 50% Fibonacci level of that rally that's currently unfolding. And it's $114.40. So if you're trading this to the upside, I would watch the 114.40 level. If we get a sustained break below that level, it's the first indication that the rally is failing. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.